So that's how they get the boats into the water here in Thailand, as well as the jet skis. So I'm standing here at the port of entry where they actually put the boats in the water, and they'll be doing this pretty much all day. So I wanted to give you guys a first-hand glance at what the process is like for them to get the boats in the water. So there's some other boats lined up as well, and they use these tractors to get the boats in the water. Yeah, so I'll just show you guys some more footage of that as they continue to load the boats into the water. All right, I hope you enjoy this content. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace. So they load the tractors, they load speedboats, jet skis, pretty much everything. That's how it gets into the water in the morning before all the tourists pay to ride the jet skis and the boats. Here's another boat that's going to Kalan Island that they're loading up now. As you can see, the big boat, I love Kalan. So this boat will be next, going into the water and taking people over to Kalan Island. But just wanted to show you guys the port of entry, you know. So this is the next boat. So yeah, this is what it's like here in Thailand, as they load up all of the boats and the jet skis, you know. This is the port of entry. Morning. Okay. Yeah. So once this guess once this tractor gets out of the way, they're gonna load in more boats. So just hang tight. The I Love Kolan boat, I believe, is next. So we're gonna share that with you. I'm gonna share that with you. Okay.
ได้แล้วหมาพอได้หรอมันยิงเด็กมือไว้เนี่ยเอาลงดันเงินไหลออกมาไหลยากเนี่ยอะไรเนี่ยมีคนเช่าเหรอแล้วที่เลี้ยงเอาไหมอ่ะ
Man, these things are huge. They look old, but they're powerful. So here comes the I Love Kolan boat. He's pulling up now. The tractor's pulling up. That out the way. I Love Kolan. Here it is, going into the water. Right on in. He's in. Now I Love Kolan, heading to Kolan Island, which is right over there. Yep. So there you have it, guys. That's how the boats get into the water here in Thailand to take people over to Kolan Island. It's a big tourist attraction here in Thailand. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you ever wonder what's the port of entry as to where they get the boats in. And right now we're standing on Jom Tien Beach here in Thailand. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Again, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, peace.